We often hear about how great Portlanders are when it comes to recycling and sustainability, but did you know that we actually generate more waste than average?
That's part of the reason Metro is working to find a new solution for managing garbage. Tim Becker is digging deeper into the story, and he joins us from the newsroom with more.
All right, guys, so here's the dirt. The average Portlander generates 7.1 pounds of trash a day. The national average per person is 7 pounds. And how we manage it now, not the most efficient or sustainable either. But Metro tells me that they want to change that, and it is all starting with a campaign that they call Let's Talk Trash.
When it comes to trash, Portlanders pile it high, then ship it out.
You know, the first rule of transfer stations is that which comes in must go out.
Metro's Paul Slyman tells me they process 1,000 tons of garbage like this every day. 50 to 60 trucks then haul it 150 miles away to this dump in Arlington.
That's a truck of trash about every 24 minutes, setting out on this over 300-mile round trip to the landfill and back.
Ed Humes is the author of Garbology, a book all about the trouble with trash. And Metro recently invited him to expose their problems to Portlanders, who he says are too satisfied with their high marks for recycling.
You're being less bad when you recycle, but you're not being good. The good solution is to curtail the waste and then recycle what's left. That's a sensible approach, but we have made recycling really the be-all and end-all.
Humes also calls the landfill habit and diesel burn to move our trash not the greatest model for a sustainable city to adopt.
Once people realize how this is managed, because we have nothing to hide, we want them to understand how it's managed, then they say, wow, I think we could do better.
And they plan to, Slyman tells me. He says Metro is now in the process of developing a system to make more of the stuff that we don't want. He calls this a resource we literally throw away.
Other ideas are sort of cooking these materials to create a gas, which could be a replacement for other gases that are used, or even turning these materials into fuel replacement pellets.
Metro's current waste management contracts run out in 2019, so they're now in the process of engaging and involving the public in decisions about the future of waste management. It'll be a long and involved process, and we plan to follow it every step of the way. Kelly?